Hey everyone, get ready to supercharge your iPhone because iOS 26 beta is finally here and it's a game changer. Forget everything you know about iOS 18, this update brings some truly revolutionary features you won't want to miss. The biggest headline, the incredible new transparent view. It's not just a gimmick, it's a whole new way to interact with your device and it's mind-blowing. And the best part, unlike previous years, iOS 26 beta is completely free for everyone. You heard that right, no developer account fees, no hidden costs, just pure access to the future of iOS. Here's how to get the iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone right now. Open up your favorite web browser, head over to developer.apple.com, and tap the two lines in the top corner and select account. Sign in with your Apple ID. If this is your first time registering, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. This is a one-time step. Important. After agreeing to the terms, you'll see a screen that might tempt you to enroll today, such as this one right here. Do not click this. You'll be charged. Just agree to the terms and then simply exit Safari or Chrome. Go to the Settings app in your iPhone. Tap on General. Software Update. Now select Beta Updates. If you don't see this option, quickly visit beta.apple.com in Safari and it should appear. And you'll see iOS 26 Beta Developer option. Select it, go back, and your iPhone will start downloading the update. It's that simple. Get ready to experience iOS like never before.